So if you're here, you're probably in Blender and you're missing your object in the layout view. So right now I'm switching between modeling and layout just to show you what I mean. In modeling, I can see my object, everything's good. I've got two here, two objects. If I go to layout, nothing. And I can click the backslash button on my keyboard, which will isolate an object. So I thought it could be that, but it's not. So I can click that all I want, nothing happens. If I go into my scene, I can see that the eyes are turned on for my object, so that's not the issue. And if I go over here to view and down to collections, that eye is on too. So it really should be showing. And I don't know what the issue is. And if you do, please let me know in the comments, but I do know how to temporarily fix it. So let's just do that. Layout. So I'm going to go up to my top tab layout and I'm going to right click and I'm just going to delete it entirely. So now I don't have a layout tab. But no problem, I can add it back in. So up top at the plus sign, I'm gonna select that, go to general, and then select layout again. And there we are, it's back, and I can get it shaded again, and I can move my layout back to its original location by right-clicking and then reordering it to the front. So now it's back in the front of the line here. I can see my objects. Nothing has really changed. I mean, there's still eyes on over here, and if I go to my properties, my view, and then my collections, the eyes on here too. So I don't know what the issue was, but I do know if you just remake your layout view, you can see your objects again. And that's it. Join me in another video. Thank you guys.